Welcome to PASC26. This is the highlights from the conference. I have the pleasure to have with me Defilia Kiehaven from Karlsruhe Institute of Technology in Germany. And Defilia has won the PASC26 best paper. You just gave your talk about the work that you've been doing. But could you tell us a little bit more? What were you addressing in your paper and in your talk?
Sure. So in our paper, we were talking about a novel method of parallelism that allows us to train AI weather models that are bigger than ever before, specifically tackling the problem of high-resolution data. So we know that high-resolution weather is really important because it allows us to capture more information about storms or rainfall and so on. But a lot of the times, this is quite a challenging problem to model because the image samples are so big that you run out of memory. So with our parallel approach, we directly tackle this problem, thus allowing us to train models that are bigger than ever before for our given hardware and also on higher resolution data than ever before.
Then maybe I'm going to ask you a bit of a tricky question. Yesterday we had the public lecture of Professor Reto Knutti, and he told us, because of a question from the audience, he told us that these AI models for weather don't know anything about physics. Mm-hmm. So how can we then, maybe it's a naive question, but how can we trust these weather AI models if they don't really understand what's going on?
It's a good question, and it's a hard question to answer. I think that a lot of times we don't actually, or right at the moment, we actually don't have that much experience in the field of AI-based weather modeling. We don't know how reliable they are. So for that, there is more work that should be done, and our group, for instance, is working on that has to do with uncertainty quantification of AI-based weather models or in neural network training, which would hopefully allow us to at least get some error estimates so we can see if we can trust these models or not.
So the message you're giving us is, yes, it's true, we don't know, but we are here to, we are just starting learning how these models are working. I keep saying this is the primordial soup of AI, so we all have to make a little bit sense from all these models. What would you like to see happening in the weather and climate? I mean, of course, with AI models, what is what you would like to see coming?
I'd really like to see the collaboration between the fields of HPC, the parallel aspects, and the domain scientists together, because a lot of the times it's quite hard for us as HPC people to really understand what the needs of the domain scientists are, but through collaboration, I think it's mutually beneficial because we can help tackle some of their scalability problems while they can teach us a lot about what is really important in the models and what we want to emphasize.
So thank you very much, Defilia. Then congratulations again for winning the PASC26 best paper, and enjoy the rest of the conference.
Thank you.